Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you create the garden of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Tired of concrete jungles? Ready to trade that unused corner or balcony for a personal edible paradise? Today we're diving headfirst into the world of urban indoor gardening. I'm talking about fresh, organic produce just steps from your kitchen. No matter if you live in a sprawling house or a shoebox apartment, get ready for 10 incredible design ideas that prove you don't need a huge backyard to grow big. Let's dig in. So, what exactly is an urban indoor garden? Simply put, it's the practice of cultivating plants, typically food-producing ones, within a city environment where space is limited. Think rooftops, balconies, patios, windowsills, or even a dedicated shelf inside your home. It's all about maximizing your small footprint. This means using techniques like container gardening, vertical growing, raised beds, or even hydroponics to make every square inch count. It's gardening scaled down, but the results are just as impressive, if not more convenient. It's the ultimate expression of self-sufficiency in the middle of a bustling metropolis. Now, why bother dragging dirt into your pristine apartment? Well, the benefits are huge. First, it drastically cuts down on your grocery bill. Imagine never having to buy a wilted bunch of basil again. Second, you get 100% control over what goes into your food. No mystery pesticides, just pure organic goodness. Talk about peace of mind. Third, it's a powerful stress reliever. Seriously, there's nothing more satisfying than watching something you planted actually grow. It's a meditative escape from the constant city noise and screen time. Finally, it's a fantastic way to cool and humidify your indoor space, improving your air quality and making your home feel instantly more alive. It's a win for your wallet, your health, and your mental well-being. An urban garden shouldn't just be functional. It should be an extension of your home decor. Treat your garden like any other room. The key is using structure and cohesive materials. If you prefer a modern industrial look, go for sleek weathered metal planters. For a rustic or farmhouse feel, untreated wooden raised beds, with their clean, organized look, are perfect. Don't underestimate the power of accessories. A beautiful wooden pergola, a clean gravel pathway, or even a charming white picket fence can elevate your garden from a planting patch to a genuine outdoor room. Even inside, use attractive terracotta pots, stylish shelving units, or a cool bamboo backdrop to make your setup look intentional and beautiful, not just haphazard. Good design ensures you enjoy spending time in your edible oasis. Time for the main event. Here are 10 incredible urban garden ideas. You can adapt any of these concepts to fit your space, whether it's a tiny fire escape or a whole rooftop. One, the hydroponic wall garden, a space-saving miracle. This vertical setup uses pipes to grow different varieties of lettuce and greens, maximized on a bamboo fence backdrop. It's a brilliant idea for a small, well-lit balcony or even a bright indoor wall, conserving water and eliminating soil mess. 2. The fenced and gated raised bed oasis. This stunning manicured garden features well-defined wooden raised beds inside a protective fence. The gravel path and wooden gate give it a neat, intentional design, perfect for a sunny corner of a suburban or townhome yard, keeping out pets or small animals. 3. Rooftop container farm. An absolute dream for city living. Large, beautifully constructed cedar raised beds transform an unused rooftop deck into a thriving vegetable patch, complete with seating and a view. This design maximizes growing space while keeping the deck clean and usable for entertaining. 4. Uniform tall wooden planters. A simple, modern, and high-impact solution for long, narrow spaces. These uniform, tall wooden boxes provide excellent depth for root vegetables and vining plants like tomatoes, offering a clean, modular look while maximizing height. 5. Rustic mixed plant raised beds. This design showcases the aesthetic appeal of growing diverse plants together. Vegetables, herbs, and bright marigolds are mixed for companion planting and beauty. The simple, stacked wooden boxes bring warmth and a natural feel to a patio or paved area. 6. The cottage garden with picket fencing. A charming, dedicated garden area enclosed by a classic white picket fence. This design provides structure, protects the crops and adds a fairy tale-like aesthetic, proving a vegetable patch can be both productive and gorgeous. 7. Modern weathered steel and wood structure. A high-end, contemporary garden look. The sleek, weathered steel planters contrast beautifully with the warm wooden structure, creating distinct rooms and vertical interest, perfect for a sophisticated backyard or urban patio. 8. Balcony tomato and herb container garden. Proof that you can grow food anywhere. This is a perfect example of a productive balcony garden, using a mix of large tubs and terracotta pots to grow cherry tomatoes and various herbs right outside the door, demonstrating efficient use of a small, sunny space. 9. Upcycled and eclectic gravel garden. A creative, budget-friendly approach. This garden uses a mix of containers, wooden boxes, galvanized tubs, and even an old bathtub, all contained within a simple wire fence on a gravel base. It's wonderfully rustic and demonstrates innovative recycling. 10. Geometric star-shaped garden beds. A visually stunning design. This creative, multi-level wooden raised bed layout provides excellent accessibility and a dramatic focal point for the yard. The star shape creates defined planting zones, perfect for companion planting and crop rotation. You don't have to limit yourself to only houseplants. For food production, you want plants that are happy in containers and don't need a massive amount of root space. The true heroes of the small space garden are often the leafy greens, such as fast-growing lettuce, spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, which conveniently tolerate lower light and offer a quick harvest. No urban garden is complete without a robust collection of herbs. Think basil, mint, chives, oregano, and rosemary, all of which thrive in small pots near a sunny window and immediately elevate your home cooking. For those looking for bigger rewards, seek out specially bred fruiting plants like patio or dwarf varieties of tomatoes and peppers, which are perfect for containers. Finally, if you're working with minimal space and want the quickest possible turnaround, you can't beat microgreens like sunflower or pea shoots. These can be grown on a shallow tray anywhere you have a bit of light. Choosing compact varieties and understanding your light conditions are the keys to a thriving indoor harvest. Urban gardening, whether it's a couple of pots on a windowsill or a full-blown rooftop farm, is more than just a hobby. It's a lifestyle upgrade. It reconnects you with your food, makes your living space gorgeous, and gives you something beautiful and satisfying to care for every single day. So stop staring at that empty corner and start planting. You've got all the ideas you need right here. Which of these 10 ideas inspired you the most? Are you tackling a balcony garden or converting a sunny shelf? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more simple, stylish ideas on bringing nature into your home. And if you're ready to get started right now, check the description for links to our favorite small space gardening kits and container plans. Happy planting, everyone!